happy birthday. Well, isn't it just nifty? Today you're 50. Let me just tell you, I don't know who come up with that little cute slogan, 50 is nifty. I can tell you right now, it is not nifty because, girlfriend, you're about to hit these years right here, and it's called menopause. I like to think of myself as menopause Barbie. So welcome to the club. So start with your irritability, your mood swings, your joints hurt, you can't freaking see, and your hair, it never styles again. Anyway, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe. Pow, pow, pow. I gotta go. I ain't got time for this. Have a good day.